Sterling Pump.
We proudly introduce you to a wide range of products as V3 and V4 Slim Pumps. We are one of the few companies to have ISI models in V3 category. We have 12 numbers of ISI models in V3. V3 available up to 2 HP and suitable up to 525 feet. V3 to V2 pump set available for narrow bores. V4 Slim, 85 mm diameter, available in 2 HP and 3 HP suitable up to 650 feet and 775 feet respectively. V4 and V5 to V4 pumps. V4 pump sets are available up to 5 HP, 50 stage and V5 motor to V4 pump are available up to 7.5 HP 70 stage. Pumps with 20 feet and 25 feet high head bows are available. All running models have a B-star rating of 3-star and above and also ISI rating. V4 Q-type mixed flow pump available for high discharge requirement. V5 to V4 high head pump is suitable up to 1400 feet. Special low voltage aluminum rotor motor pump sets available in all-filled and water-filled designs. V5 and V6 Slim Pumps. V5 pump sets available in Noril and SS ball impeller and V6 Slim 130 mm available in SS ball impeller. V5 Noril and SS has up to 36 feet head per stage and V6 Slim has up to 40 feet head. V5 is available up to 10 HP and V6 Slim up to 20 HP. V6 50 feet and 65 feet series. V6 pump sets up to 50 feet head and up to 65 feet head is available. All running models have a B-star rating of 3-star and above and also ISI rating. V6 motor available up to 35 HP and pump up to 35 stage suitable up to 2000 feet. SS304 investment casting bowl and SS304 impeller available in premium series. SS bowl and SS nylon impeller in deluxe series models. Specially designed CI bowl with Noril guide vane and nylon impeller also available in 50 feet series. V6 Radial Flow Mixed Flow. V6 Radial Flow 36 feet head pump sets available up to 20 HP. V6 Mixed Flow 33 feet head pump sets available up to 35 HP. All running models have a B-star rating of 3-star and above and ISI rating. V6 Radial Flow Ball Impeller are specially designed to give high head and high discharge. V6 Mixed Flow Ball Impeller is specially designed to give high discharge. All stages have ball bush to give strength to the pump shaft. V6 to V7 Janta and V8. V6 to V7 is suitable for high discharge requirements at low cost. V6 to V7 is available up to 25 HP and discharge up to 1700 LPM. V8 pump sets are available in high head and high discharge models. V8 pump sets are available up to 75 HP motor and 10 HP per stage pump. Domestic Open Well. V7 open well available up to 5 HP in single phase and 3 phase. All running models have B-star rating of 3-star and above and ISI rating. Domestic open well 0.5 HP is 3-star, 1 HP is 5-star and 1.5 HP is 5-star rated. Special high head high discharge open well available in 2 HP and 3 HP with 5-star ratings. High discharge 3-inch by 3-inch models available in 2 HP, 3 HP and 5 HP, which can give result comparable with V9, 2.5-inch by 2.5-inch models. Special aluminum rotor open well is available for low voltage application. Multistage domestic open well. Multistage open well is specially designed for high-rise buildings. Multistage horizontal open well 1.5 HP and 2 HP with 140 feet and 190 feet head is suitable for 3 stories to 8 stories buildings with low discharge requirements. Both single-phase open wells are 4-star rated. Vertical multistage open well is available up to 5 HP with 225 feet head is suitable for 7 to 9 stories building with high discharge requirements. Vertical multistage open well is available with SS ball and SS impeller or CI ball and nylon impeller. Agriculture open well. Agriculture open well is available up to 10 HP. All running models have B-star rating of 3-star and above and ISI rating. Specially designed 5 HP 42 meter and 55 meter and 7.5 HP 62 meter high head models are available for drip or water lifting applications. High discharge 3" by 3" and 4" by 4" open well available. Special aluminum rotor open well is available for low voltage applications. Vertical open well. Vertical open well is available in V8 and V9 body up to 25 HP. Open well suitable for both high head and high discharge application is available. High head open well is suitable up to 600 feet head. High discharge open well is suitable up to 2000 LPM. Self-priming pumps, monoblock pumps. In self-priming pumps, sharp type and super suction models available in 0.5 and 1 HP. Shallow well jet pumps available in 0.5 and 1 HP. In monoblock pumps, high discharge and high head models available up to 2 HP. Special wide voltage design available for monoblock. For more information, visit our website sterlingpumps.in.